Hello. Hello. I found a dog. He came in my unit. Hello, dog. Fiesta plans today. We've got a lot planned, mate. We've got a lot planned. Right. I've accidentally superglued my screen down shut because it broke. So I don't know if it's pointing at me or focused on me or whatever. So it's going to be a bit annoying to film today. But I've got so much stuff. Right. Go far. Open sesame motors. We have bought a battery because the other one was literally fucked. I couldn't be asked to go around charging it because it wouldn't hold anything. Front bumper by Dan Farmer. My guy, the other side's got damage, but he sorted me out. And then the top bit's missing, but I just realised I should be able to reuse the old one. I've also got a seat he's letting me borrow, so massive shout out to Dan for that. So we've got seat, bumper, battery, and in there is the lower wishbone passenger side because I noticed the seals all messed up. So I was able to get one on eBay for like 20 quid off some like ST parts things. So I feel like they might have known me because I bought it off eBay obviously under Tommy Blake, and then it came and on the slip it said B71Y, it didn't say Tommy Blake on it. So maybe they knew it was like, that'd been cool, but I might be just overthinking myself. Also getting the wheels off because I'm sending them off to get refurbed because I've been able to get a nice little deal, so that'll be in a video coming up. But yeah, so I've got to get all the wheels off, get front bumper on, battery on, maybe the low wishbone. I've never done one myself, but apparently it's quite easy. Also got to get the headlights in, gonna try and get the seal on and the seating. So the car is literally going to be drivable by the end of the day, do you know what I mean? So got a lot planned, a lot to get done, a lot to get out of this car, so I'm going to start emptying it now. Told you a lot of shit, like a lot of shit, yeah. So we've got seating, them wheels already off that side, the proper damaged ones. We're going to take the other side off. I'm going to try and cable tie this up a bit more just in case one does snap. Put this front bumper on. I'm going to take that black plastic bit off the top of there, clip it in here, maybe the Ford badge as well while I'm at it. And then obviously going to put the seat in, but that's sort of last. Also I want to try and get the side skirt tiger sealed on if I can, save me to buy another one. And obviously put the headlights on. So it should all be good. I've noticed my coolant keeps dropping. I filled this up to max again the other day and it is dropped down to below minimum. So I'm going to work out what's going on there. I'll put some water in if I need be. But yeah, I might have a leak. I'm trying to look underneath here, but where everything is sort of just stained in general, you really can't tell. I'm tempted just to fill it up and leave a bowl underneath it, see if it collects anything. But yeah, I'll have a look anyway when I jack it up, whatever. But these are a nightmare, these bumpers to put on and off. They're just a bit of a ball ache, and you can see the old one snap. So when you get all them out, it's just really like breaks your knuckles and hands doing it. So these ones here are nice because they're underneath, but actually to be fair, this side hasn't actually got any on, so maybe it's on the bumper still, which have been that side, but I'm highly doubting. So I'll try and work something out, but yeah, I need these clips on it. So I think, yeah, I'll work this out, fucking knows. But I do think I'm missing some sort of screws this side, because I need more than just them to, we'll figure it out. First and first, I've got this old, this one is destroyed, like fucking beyond destroyed, but this bracket here should still be alright, and you can see it's just trim clips on, so get the trim tools there and should be able to get this off with much hope. And the good thing is, it doesn't matter to break our bumper because our bumper's gone in the bin anyway. She's off. Now put this on to the new one, and I'm going to take that Ford badge off and put it on. I was tempted to leave it off and smooth it because it's got a big melted hole in it. It's going to need filler work anyway, so I was thinking if I leave the badge out, get that fillered over as well, then I'd have like a smoothed off bumper. I might do that actually, fuck it. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the badge off, and if I do want it, I'll just stick one in. But I'll leave it off for now, and just clip this. I know this bit's all broken, I'll probably get shit for that, but the clip-ins are still there, so it does work. It's just this bit down the bracket, the headlight is there, this bit isn't, but I might be able to get it off the snap bit and just have it next to it, but just not all in one piece, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to slide a new one on now, and then it's ready to go on the car. So I bent the brackets all straight, took the old brackets off that were on it, swapped to the new bumper. Cable tied this up a bit more. It's a bit higher. I've sort of tested with the bumper to make sure it's going to work. And it is alright. It's just I don't want it too saggy on the actual cable ties that will pull on it and snap. So I've doubled up on each side. It should all be quite good and safe now. It's just when I get an upgraded one, they bolt into this bar bit anyway, so it should be alright. There's a brace. I don't have the bottom scuttle and all that. But yeah, I'm going to put the top on now. I am missing all this plastic stuff, but it's up there, and I thought there's no point putting it on because it doesn't really do anything. So gonna chuck the bumper on now, and hopefully this all fits up well. And I've got the drill, so the drill does help actually get the screws in easier because it's a pain in the ass to fit these screws in. So there goes nothing. It's getting there. It looks a bit weird because it's half red, half white. It looks like one of them squishies. But change the bottom one in, then that side's done. But I'll make a start on the other side now. So I can't see what I look like because obviously the whole thing's gone weird. I'm sweating today. This is mad. Like I thought I'd open this up for the sun and that, and it was bad because I'm sweating. But this side's fitting up alright. Do you know what I mean? That's not bad at all. I've noticed where the intercooler is quite high, it's catching on here. So I'm just trying to work out something to go around there. And then this side's not as good. But what I'm going to do is going to lift it with more pressure and tighten it by hand to get it right nice and tight. Get a little ratchet in there or something. Screw this bit up here. I mean the colour match ain't bad at all, do you know what I mean? The white and orange complement it really, you know what I mean? Right in the front, oh, so beautiful that, Jesus. But in all fairness, at least it looks more like a car now. Obviously I know I'm going to get rinsed in the comments for this because it's the completely wrong colour. But if the orange was going to be the wrong colour anyway, fair enough, it wouldn't look as obvious. But this literally cost me nothing, so it was worth it for the time being. Like, I'll probably just wrap the car anyway. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad at all. Okay, so I've not really had much luck with the bumper. I think because I haven't got all that whole under bumper tray shit. Like, I've got it there all smashed to shit. I can buy a new one for like 50 quid. It's not fitting in right, and that wing, this side, has it's all bent up, and I bent it back down, but when I'm tightening the bracket it's actually pulling the wing down and not the bumper up. But it doesn't help with the old intercooler, but when I upgrade the intercooler then I can sort it out. So what I'm thinking for now is I'm going to get this battery out, the copper greased fuck one, and replace it with the new one I've got. Check that's all good, then I put the headlights in, check they work, because obviously I've sealed one up, I need to look at that. Everyone was like, why didn't you use clear, you're a fucking idiot. Like, first of all, no one's going to see where it actually is because it's underneath the headlight. And second of all, I didn't have any clear. So, yeah. And then I'm going to have to find a way of fixing these in somehow. But, oh, look at that. That's a pucker job. Yeah, it's gone hard. Look. And you're not going to see that. I'm not being funny. Whoever was crying, shut up. Yeah? But I'm going to have to figure out some way of mounting them in. So, I'll probably like drill holes and cable tie for now. It's going to be a cable tie madness. That was horrible. Look how much copper grease is on my hands and the ratchets. I have a fucking clue why it's so much. But it's on, and the power's on because I can see the interior light on. So we've got a battery that works. Thank fuck. Make it 10 times easier to get this in and out. Sweet. Right, let's get a headlight in. Hopefully it should work. The battery's all good, apart from I went in there and I was like, shit, it's not starting. The battery's shit. Then realised now my key battery's actually like almost dead, so I have to like hold it next to it. So I need a new key battery, but making progress. I've tucked all this for the washer bottle, because I don't have one yet, up there, and then I'm just going to sort of cable tie wires out the way so it can't get caught on nothing. But let's get a headlight in and see what happens. I don't know how it's going to fit at all. It's probably going to be horrible, but need to get it in. Right, here we go. I do need to like, do a couple little holes in it and then cable tie through just to hold it more, but if you look, I'll take this off the stand and you can't really see the bottom in that. It's annoying because I can't flip this camera up to see. The top one has one of these, the other one doesn't, the other side, but you see it sits in very well, but down here is a bit of a gap. But not gonna lie, on my old Fiesta there was a bigger gap than that, so where there's a hole there and then there's a bit of plastic left here, might just drill a little hole, cable tie through them just to keep them insecure. The other side's gonna be more of a problem due to the fact that I don't have that top bit. So I was thinking of actually like gluing it on or rebonding it, but I'm not too sure how that'll go, so I'm gonna get this other one in now. Alright, so we've DIY'd these bad boys in, these little cable ties. I know I did blue, which I thought would be cool, but the fitment looks sick from the cable ties, not gonna lie. This one's a bit meh, but the other side's banging. That's the only one screw out of all of them, but they're not really going anywhere. This one's a bit loose, but my fault is wind pushes, so it can't go anywhere anyway. So we're gonna close that down. Gonna get my seat in with the assistant, and then I think that is about it. I drilled some just little holes just to hold them in, and I've got some donor wheels now just to run on this side for the time being. So all is good, all is going well. Let's wrap this up. Alright, so just got the seat in. Now I'm going to gun it in. So, lovely jubblies. Try to get the back corner. Now, nice little slot down the front. Now we've got interior again. It's a bit of like hunchback position, but I've also got a gear knob in my bag. I need to get out. I completely forgot to remember now. But it feels so good to have somewhat of an actual car now. Like, this car's been in pieces for so long, it's nice to just have something. I've got my passenger seat currently the beanbag because I need to pick up the other one from Dan. I'm just borrowing these until I buy new seats because I sold the ST with the Corbo seats and harnesses. So I'm going to buy seats and harnesses again, which is a bit shit. But I've got this for now. So massive thank you to Dan and Ryan Farmer, my guys. But also I haven't got bolts for the nuts for the windscreen wipers, so they're going to fly off soon. And I want to mount one of my fire extinguishers to the passenger side footwell. But we have a car, and like we can literally drive this on the road now, which is sick. Hopefully getting an exhaust very soon for this as well. Just a stock one for now, but if anyone wants to send me an upgraded one, you know, drop me an email. But yeah, all is good. And we'll put the gear knob and that on now and sort of just finish up this video, get the wheels off and put the other ones on. F1 pit crew start. The locking wheel nuts and that are just hand on because it's not actually going to go anywhere. It's just in case someone doesn't move it, then it can be moved. But yeah, hopefully we'll have these refurbed and all good in no time. But the other two are perfectly fine, it's just the other two are quite smashed in, so that's going to be interesting to see if they can get fixed. But I'm also going to need to get 2 new tyres as well. So it is what it is. I'm going to put that gear knob on quick and then we're done. So let's do it. Oh, them fresh seats, boys. But yeah, let's get this knob on. So this knob is actually from Steeder. I did it a lot with me with my Mark III RS, as I was with them at Ford Fair as well, and they gave me a lot of stuff for the Mark 6 ST. And they kindly hooked me up with this bad boy because they saw I was in need of an old gear knob. Yeah, that Perfecto. Nice little. Definitely needs a short shift. Look at them throws, but no, it feels really nice in your hand. Definitely better than the stock one. And yeah, it's just well shaped and looks nice. It's black. It's a very neutral colour. Just sort of blends in well with the car. And yeah, it does feel really good. So glad I got that on there. But definitely a short shifter will complement that. But yeah, the wheels are off. So they're ready for refurb. I'm going to leave like a bit of cardboard underneath the car tonight. I'm going to fill it up with water in the coolant. I'll put coolant in it if I've got any more, but it's probably going to be water, just to see if that level goes higher or lower. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed. Please leave a like, hit that subscribe button, comment down below what you're looking forward to, and make sure to check out the Patreon. And also, I've been thinking of the idea of launching some Send It lanyards, so let me know, or if you want another stock load of the other B17 ones, so just launch the turquoise ones, let me know, because they're sold out straight away. So thank you for watching. I'll see you boys next one. Peace.